The Statehood Day celebration saw a gathering of dignitaries, Meghalaya Day Award recipients, invitees and members of the press fraternity. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, Chief Minister of Meghalaya CONRAD SANGMA attributed the celebration to the state's former leaders and stalwarts like Captain Williamson SANGMA, PUGH, LYNGDOH, NICHOLS and others who had fought tirelessly during their lifetime to make the state what it is today. He further added that a focus on various sectors would enable growth as far as the state's economy is concerned.
We must remember those leaders and the sacrifices they made. To name a few, Captain Williamson SANGMA, PUGH, NICHOLS, LYNGDOH, and many more who sacrificed many things so that we could today celebrate this 49th anniversary of our statehood. Friends, it's also important for us to realize that next year we will be celebrating 50 years. And it's important to keep in mind that as a government and as citizens, where do we see ourselves in the next 1 year, in the next 5 years, and even in the next 50 years?
In terms of expenditure just in the MGNREGS scheme, which is a record for Meghalaya State, and I'm happy to inform you this also puts us as one of the best performing states when it comes to the MGNREGS scheme in the entire country. At the same time, we are ensuring that at the rural level, there should be a strong institutional setup. And we realize that in order to be able to connect to the grassroots people, we need to organize self-help groups. Till date, because of the hard work of all the officials at the block, district and the state level, we have been able to form more than 30,000 self-help groups. This is an increase from 4,000 in 2018 to 30,000 in a matter of 2.5 years.
Earlier during the program, the Chief Minister had handed over citations to various government employees for the services in their respective fields. Those who spoke during the program were Minister in charge of Information and Public Relations, James K. SANGMA, Meghalaya's Chief Secretary, M.S. Rao, and the Director of Information and Public Relations, Government of Meghalaya, Badlang Solia.